I saw the word minority and it triggered something in my head, and I looked at the definition of minority. The definition of minority is a smaller part or less than. Then I said, well, that's not a color, or that's not a people, it's not a race or what we call a group of people, so it's just a number. And so I looked more into it, and my wheels got turning, and I said, we're gonna have to address this. Somebody's gonna have to address what minority really is. My name is Jason Bowman, and I'm the founder of the Majority Mindset Movement. So one thing that the Majority Mindset Movement wants to do is help change the way we think about ourselves. We've spent most of our lives allowing others to determine who we are and what we are. We decided to take action and change that narrative, and to really start believing and start knowing that we are actually the majority, that we are ones of power, that we all have great potential within us, and it just needs to be unlocked. Once we start thinking differently, we'll actually start to live intentionally. And within that intention, we will get the desired outcomes that we want in our lives. And after that, the most amazing thing happens. We'll start building strong legacies for not just us, but for our families and for our future generations. Welcome to the Majority Mindset Movement.